Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this amazing floor mat. This thing is 60 by 75 inches. It is huge, so it allows you to move all around. Like you can even set up like a table and chairs on here, so that way it protects your floors. And it actually rolls really well. Like if you had any sort of rolling thing, you roll right around here, and see the difference if you were to roll on, say, the wood. I mean, it's getting caught, it's loud, it's annoying, but once you come over this, it's nice and smooth and glides beautifully. It does have a really nice feel to it. I mean, it has a nice pretty feel, like as far as the look of it. And on the back side of it, you do have this nice non-slip surface as well, which is fantastic. It's nice and thick, but yet thin enough that you can go over with vacuums. And one of my favorites, water just gathers right up. You can easily just clean it up, and then your area is nice and perfect again. You don't see any scratch marks, you don't see anything there. This is a beautiful hard floor mat that you can put in your kitchen, living room, office, you name it. This is a beautiful mat that can sit there.